Hey, what's going on, you guys? So in today's video, I will show you how you can free up some space on iCloud. Now, this is going to be quick and easy, so let's jump right into it. So first, let's go to settings and let's tap on our name. Now tap on iCloud, and from here, tap on manage account storage. Okay, so in here, you will see how much storage an app is using. So you will have an idea which app is using much space. So you can go back. And from here, let's tap on photos. And if you don't want your photos to be synced to the cloud, you can turn this toggle off and all your images will be saved on your device and not to iCloud. So in this way, you can save space from this one. Now let's tap on show all. And here you can see messages. So if you don't want your messages to be synced to the cloud, you can also turn this off. All right, so you can do this for the apps that you think it is. So you can do this for all the apps that's taking space in your iCloud, which you think is not very important to be synced in your iCloud. In this way, you are going to save your storage on iCloud. All right, so there you have it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.